Allegedly someone with a gun at McDonald's.
Come on, go.
They got straps.
Drive.
Right here. Fine. So Archie was that McDonald's employee.
Oh, alright.
They are right there.
And for you guys, just for safety, you guys are probably going to want to sit back. Alright?
Yep.
Hey Pete, is that employee still there?
Yeah.
Can he call in and have...
Yep, no doubt, Larry. They got more cops responding too. Yeah, they're clearing the...
Looks like he isn't even coming out.
If he comes out, just have him come to us out here and actually.
There's no way. You can only come right here.
Or he's going to have to hop over, so they'll stay there.
Yeah, and we have units over there as well.
And we,
Mark, you give them orders, we'll be around
Alright.
right here.
I think he's going out to the north. Is he going north?
Yeah, he's looking at it.
Yeah, we're there. Yeah, we're there.
Mike, do you have visual on him?
Yeah. He's coming out. He's coming out. No, he's coming. He looks like he's thinking about it. He's not looking at us. He's looking towards the ordering.
I got radio. You guys do your thing, right? Mark gives commands.
Yep.
You guys can rest, correct?
Supposed to come out.
Walk back towards us. We'll be around soon. If you guys need it, you guys have longboat, whatever.
Yeah, allegedly he flashed a gun at somebody in his waistband.
He's coming out. Sir!
Yeah.
Put your bags down, put your hands up. Face away from us. Put the bag down, drop it. Drop it.
There you go.
Put your hands up, face away from us. Walk backwards, keep your hands up. Keep walking backwards, keep your hands up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming slowly. Go ahead and stop right there. Do not move. Somebody said that you claimed you had a weapon and you should possibly show them a weapon. You have a knife? No gun. They're talking about you.
Yeah, where did it work? Hey, did it work?
No, they gave your description and pointed you out.
Is that right?
Yes.
Let's go this car right here, sir. Oh,
This is the closest one.
it's right on my left arm.
The damn man was right now.
Where do you have the knife at?
GRP?
What's that?
got this with
So what happened inside? Did you have an altercation with
I was standing in there, water in my phone.
Okay. And what happened?
Johnny just stopped standing on the back. Come out. I stand there about wait, come in. I just got caught. He did right there. He's like, what? We start talking. So I'm like, what's happening? So we start talking all this kind of shit. So I'm like, okay, I'll get the fuck out of here. What's happening? You know, so the bitch is so like that.
What's your name? Is that 1,000?
When? D-A-M-I-O-N.
Damien. Damien, where's your knife, man?
I don't know. I must have bring it up. I just came up with it.
Where would you have put it?
Nah, I didn't never.
Good, that'd be great. See if anyone inside.
Where would you have
Put it down.
So what exactly? What happened with the Damien? What happened with the argument?
So I'm standing in there. So he gets like, mad close. I guess he's supposed to get scared and move and buck or something. I'm 45. What I look like fucking from you? You're a kid. So I'm like, well, what's happening? So he's talking all this. I'm like, whatever. You get you something. So he says, I got. I'm like, okay, well, you got somebody. Tell me another thing. If you want to play the game, okay, you can play the game. What do you want to do? Shoot the game? So then he comes out, he run out, comes back, they lock the door.
Somebody flashed you.
Yeah, they flashed me, so they wouldn't let me out. That's what happened there. I was trying to come out.
Somebody flashed you.
They're trying to come out. They got hands. They're trying to come out. Yeah, on camera. And when did he? What I did? They kept me in there.
Like how long?
They locked me inside.
Before or after we got here?
Before or after? So that was
The employees were RP.
Yeah, that's easy.
Saying that they got.
so somebody.
There's a bunch of snitches, man. There's false calls here every day.
That's why they called you up. So didn't have a gun. He said somebody possibly flashed a gun or anything.
Yeah, whatever you glass, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to come out. And he was like, nah. Then the customer's like, nah, please don't go. They rushed the door. They locked the door.
So the two guys that possibly flashed a gun or not,
Yeah.
you don't know what you saw or gun one night. But you're going.
Yeah, so I'm outside. So I take that as a dress. He's like, oh, come outside. But you guys are like, all right, okay.
So we got that. Okay.
All right, well,
Do you understand what we're doing here then?
sure.
Okay. Damien, it's D-A-M-I-O-N. And what's your last name? Sorry, W. What's your birthday, Damien?
This is nothing.
Hey, Damien. Damien, what's your phone number?
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
At least 10 cops in here.
And what's your address? 31. What's that another? Just 31? Where's that?
Take you out of the cuts, all right?
Make sure you get that food.
Said his right arm. Right arm?
That's up there?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Yeah, hold on. He's gonna release it. I know it's uncomfortable.
See it? Okay.
Alright. Alright, man.
Jack back there, and then we're get Sergeant got the food. Thanks for the cooperation again. We were told you had a gun. No, the person called it, so.
Phone, black phone?
There's one beside the car.
Yeah, they're on
Still had it.
Somebody picked it up. We picked it up.
Oh, okay.
Make sure it's there.
Is that the one?
There you go. That's it, right? Okay. Sausage Jackson picked it up. Brought it.
No questions, Damien.
Alright, check through everything. Yeah, we already found it.
should investigate why McDonald's keeps making false calls on people every day.
What weapon was drawn just now?
So, what weapon, bro?
Yeah, when all of y'all were lined up before he came
It's an
out.
AR.
An assault, an AR15. So what happened is he got into a verbal argument with two other people, and he said he had a gun. He pulled up his side like he had one. So we're going to assume he has a gun until proven otherwise. Once we determine he didn't have a gun, you see he was released. But we're not going to just let him come out with no weapons to defend ourselves or everyone's here.
Say McDonald's.
So McDonald's makes false reports on a daily basis, man. Like,
Yeah, but
isn't there something you can do about that? I mean, they're putting people's lives in danger by making all these
I
false
don't
calls.
think this one was a.
I mean, it's a false call.
I think it was. Well, it's not a false call because he did do that, right?
I mean, he said he had one.
Yeah.
The call came over that he showed a gun, right?
He
I mean,
showed a gun.
we've been here like the past 5 days in a row over
have
bullshit calls. You know, I mean, I understand, and
Yeah.
I'm saying, like, isn't there something you can do to McDonald's, because they're putting people's lives in danger by calling you guys out here with guns.
Yeah.
You know, wasting your service on this. You know, I mean, it's ridiculous. Like, we live in this community. We can't walk in here without them calling the cops on people. You know, I mean.
An AR-15.
Yeah, I mean, that's understandable that he said he had a gun, he admitted whatever, you know, but they didn't see a gun, and I mean, like I said, this isn't the first time. You guys get called here every single day on bullshit calls, man, and you bring out the whole force, you know, like, when's it time to do something about them making the calls, you know?
If they think it's an emergency, we can't like tell them not to call the police.
All right, well,
Do the best we can, all right, guys?
yep, maybe not come out in force when you're coming to McDonald's now, because they're a bunch of fucking snitches.
See, if we're talking about gun laws, why do cops have AR-15s?
That's why they don't want us to have them, because they have them. They think we're not responsible enough to own the same guns as them. So don't come to McDonald's and City Heights on Fairmount and University. They make bullshit false calls and put people's lives in danger. They don't realize that, but that's what they're doing. Just trying to get his grub on. Young black man just trying to eat. Yep. Eating while black. Fuck McDonald's, man. This shit's fucking poison anyway. Ain't nobody want to eat that shit.
Whatever at McDonald's, hostage situation.
You think so, man? Some bullshit.
They had all them police for that? They was
Yeah.
surrounding them like they had a hostage.
This ain't a black man had a gun. They didn't find no gun on him, man.
Wow, so what they do with it?
Let him go.
Wow.
Let him eat his Happy Meal.